If you're looking to start a successful YouTube channel and you want to make money, then you're in the right place. Welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Alex and I help creators and entrepreneurs just like you grow their YouTube channels and make money. So if you're ready, let's get right to it. When I started making YouTube videos, I watched all my favorite YouTubers. I'm talking about Casey Neistat, Mr. Beast, Vanessa Lau, Peter McKinnon, Caleb Fox, you name it. There are so many great YouTubers out there. Comment and let me know who's your favorite YouTuber. But what did these YouTubers have in common with people like you and me? They started from zero, believed in their work, and took their potential to places they probably never dreamed of. In the landscape of the digital world, I believe that people like you and me can move mountains. As long as you stay consistent, define why you're doing this, have patience, and commit yourself to apply everything you learned in this video, you are gonna make great things happen. I'm gonna guide you through 4 easy steps to get you started right away, and I'll link each step in the description so that you can come back for reference. Let's dive right in. Starting with number 4, create a brand identity. The most crucial step in creating a successful YouTube channel is defining your brand identity and knowing the types of videos that you will be uploading. What I'm talking about is your niche. For example, your favorite YouTubers are really good at what they do. It could be cooking, vlogging, tech reviews, dropshipping, TikTok, you name it. Remember that riches are in the niches, so the more niche down you are, the faster your YouTube channel will grow, as opposed to trying to help everyone. If you're still trying to figure this out, my suggestion is to go to your YouTube history. Find out what is it that you're mostly interested in. What do you watch the most? What do you enjoy talking about? Whatever it is, think about who your audience is. What kind of value do you want to give them? And how are you going to help them? Step number 3, create a channel. It's a no-brainer, but if you haven't started yet, create a Google account and then create a YouTube channel. Once you do that, give your channel a name that resonates with the types of videos that you will be posting. Then you'll have access to upload your channel art, and that includes your banner, your watermark, and your channel thumbnail. And you can create your channel art for free with Canva. I put a link for you in the description. Keep in mind that first impressions are important, so make it look as good as possible. And if you already defined your brand identity, creating your channel art will be really easy to do. And keep in mind that your channel art will change over time. Don't worry too much about making it perfect. Now let's move on to step number 2, making videos. Making videos can be an easy process if you know the essentials of what to include in your video. Only then it gets easier. And I'm gonna break it down in detail shortly, but here's my simple recipe. In the exact order, every video should have a hook, an intro, the meat, and an outro. The hook should captivate your audience from the start. Keep in mind that if you can capture the attention of your audience in the first 15 seconds, they're more likely to stay until the end of the video. Start with a question, a bold statement, say something controversial, and get creative, because this is an essential skill to succeed on YouTube. You want to follow that up with an intro that lets the viewer know exactly what the video is about. Then you want to give the viewer the meat, the how-to, the solution to their problem, whatever it is that they came for. And in the end, with your outro, include a call to action. What is it that you want the viewer to do after watching your video? And that could be letting them know about watching a different video or about an upcoming video, asking them to subscribe, telling them to leave a comment, or asking them to follow you on other social media platforms. And that's a simple recipe on how you can start creating videos to accumulate watch time and start growing. And if you're wondering what kind of equipment and software you should be using, here's the simple truth. Your camera doesn't matter as much as your audio. You probably would watch a bad video with good sound, but you most likely wouldn't watch a good video with horrible sound. You can get a lavalier mic and shoot with your iPhone, or if you have a point and shoot or a DSLR, just start with that. But get a good mic. As far as video editing software, you can use DaVinci Resolve. For a Mac, you can use iMovie, and there's lots of tutorials that you can learn from on YouTube. So start with that and just learn the basics, like trimming your video, adding music, adding text. Just start with that. Your quality will improve over time, so in the beginning, don't focus too much on perfection, because that's where most people get stuck, and either they never upload or they quit. So if you want to break through and build a successful YouTube channel, be the 1% that's willing to push through and find the answers when they get stuck. If you want to know what equipment I'm using today, I'll put the link for you right in the description. Now let's talk about the last step, making money on YouTube. Now, I know you're excited, so I decided to break it down into 3 ways that you can start working towards making money with YouTube. Work towards becoming a YouTube YouTube Partner. In order to become part of the YouTube Partner program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. Of course, this doesn't happen overnight, but in this channel, I'm gonna bring you tips and tricks on how you can start accumulating watch time hours, and I'm gonna teach you how to get more subscribers. But the first step is to commit to how many videos you're going to make per month. Once you master that, whether that's 1 video per week or 2 videos per month, you'll wanna start adding more videos to your schedule. The more you post, the more watch hours, the more subscribers. That's the simple formula. Once you become part of the YouTube Partner program, YouTube will place ads in front of your audience and share part of the ad revenue with you. The second way to make money with YouTube is to join affiliate programs. The easiest one that you can apply to right now is Amazon Associates. You can even do this before you become part of the YouTube Partner program. This is how it works. Once you apply to become an Amazon Associate, you can find your favorite Amazon products related to your niche, get unique links for these products, and place them in your description. If your audience is interested in the product and they buy it, you'll get as much as 10% per sale. That's monthly passive income. There are lots of affiliate programs, so find the ones that resonate with your channel and your audience. And the third way to make money with YouTube, sponsorships. Your channel will start getting attention from major brands once your channel starts growing. Brands will send you products. You've seen many YouTubers who are promoting Squarespace, for example. A brand will reach out to you and pay you to promote their product. Once you get to this level, just make sure that whatever it is you're promoting resonates with you, your channel, and your audience. Remember, I link everything that we talked about in the description below. Keep coming back for the latest on how to grow your channel, and don't forget to subscribe, stay creative, and let's live an awesome life.